How to remove items from Amazon cart. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can remove items from Amazon cart, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to remove items from Amazon cart, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Amazon shopping application here. Then just tap on the cart icon from the bottom right of the screen, then you will see this type of interface. Now from here what you actually have to do is, if you have added some items to your cart and if you want to delete them, right under that you'll find delete button next to the item, so you can tap on delete here and delete that item. Similarly, you can tap on delete and delete another item, and you can just repeat the process for other ones as well. This way you can remove items from your cart on Amazon. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.